Here you are. You did well then, didn't you? Do you think I could train you? Shall I go and buy some more bread and come back for you? Put you in my bag and you come home with me? These two here, they're like the bouncers or the foremen. Look. Oh, you got a poorly foot. I'll call you Eileen. Little Eileen. Are you okay? Let's see if we can get you a crumb here, Eileen. Here you are, Eileen. Come on. Here. Come on. Let's give you some, Eileen. Yeah, that's a little bit. Oh, baby. There's none left. Oh, you should have left Eileen alone. Come here, Eileen. I hope your foot gets better, babe. Poor thing.